Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to restore settings to their original defaults on the Epic Privacy browser. First, open the Epic Privacy browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Reset Settings option. Then, choose to restore settings to their original defaults. This action will reset the Epic's features. Your bookmarks and saved passwords will not cleared. You may lose some custom ad blocker or proxy settings. But be careful, once you reset, please restart the Epic. When you finish, click on the Reset button.